Alexa! Alexa! Stop. So I have to use my non-Birmingham voice to talk to Alexa. Right, so we've got the 2002 Chevy Camaro here. It's an American import. American import. So we've got the 2002 Chevy Camaro SS, a V8. .7. So you've got the 2002 Camaro Chevy. So you've got the 2002 Chevy Camaro here, which is a 5.7 litre V8, 0 to 60 beast in 5.2 seconds. Even though it is an absolute monster, it's huge and heavy, it's still absolutely rapid. The 2002 Chevy Camaro SS V8, running about 320 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 5.2 seconds. It's left-hand drive, absolute American beast. Full leathers, old school. Feels like a monster inside. You've got loads of space in here. It's really, really cool. Really, it's a proper. You can lie back into the car, or sit back into the car. Everything's at the right eye level. Everything's pretty. It's pretty fucking cool. So this is an automatic version. Still pokey as hell. And we're gonna have a little look around the outside and give you my feedback on this little baby. And this exact car is actually up for sale. So if you're interested, then send us a little message or comment below, and let's have a little walk around. We'll start at the top of this beast, and we've got this Targa roof here, which comes off, so you can let your hair flick in the wind if you have any. Coming down right down to this real sporty front end. That all classic badge and American style number plates. And under the hood of this old V8 monster right here, the engine actually goes all the way back to probably the middle of the dashboard. So here we have the monster that is the 5.7 litre V8 American muscle beast, which puts all of this power straight to those back wheels. So this thing goes whoop.
About to take this back to the customer and give you a little report, a road test. I'm able to drive it as it is left-hand drive. Mike's not overly confident with those, and I don't think the seat goes forward enough for his little yam legs. Let's roll. So the initial things of driving something like this is it is left-hand drive. A lot of people don't like it in England because obviously we drive on the left, sitting over there on the right hand side like every other English car is a lot easier. overtaking, seeing round cars in front of you, seeing round various corners, things like that. I personally like left-hand drive. Living in Devon, roads are narrow, you can stuff it into a hedge, know exactly how close you are to that edge without hitting it, hopefully. First thing you notice is it has got a nice little note to it, being a big V8. It's nice. Odds along, tick on the throttle. I'm not going to talk the whole way through because I've got the life out view out of me. I might do some clever editing, so it looks like I have. Nice green fields. They say that in a gas guzzling V8, can you? Unfortunately, the roads are busy. Motorbike just gone past us, looks a bit rat mod. Rat Street Fighter style. Half cool. We won't put it on, but he's breaking along. I like the way he's leaning his head over to go around the corners, but hey, not saying a word. This car is for sale. It's a nice car, genuine car, clean and tidy on the inside, outside, underneath. The engine is sweet with a whopping 57,000 miles on it. Hardly running. A lot of people do that in a year. 57,000 miles. It's a 19-year-old car with 57,000 miles. Running along quite happy. You don't need to go fast. You can't go fast in England anyway. In America these days apparently. Well, there's cameras, there's police, there's schools. 70 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, depending on the roads. So you can't go fast. Where you want it, just tickle the throttle and go. It gives it a little bit. And off it goes. A nice deep burble from the V8. That sounds lovely, picks up nice, kicks down the gear lovely. And God, has it got some poke. I'll be quite happy owning this. You need it for a day. Get used to driving it. Get used to being on the left-hand side. Start to appreciate the fact that it's got bags of power, bags of torque. You don't need to rev it. It just pulls, pulls, pulls. Like I said before, this car is for sale. We don't divulge where the customer, the owner of this vehicle lives, for obvious reasons. But if you see this and you are interested in purchasing or inquiring about it, get in touch with us at Venom, and we'll put you in the right direction of the owner of the vehicle, and you can talk to him. We don't take a cut or anything like that out of this one. He's a good customer. The trouble is, I don't really want to take this back to the owner or then go back to work. Quite happily, it has got a full tank of fuel in it. I am wearing sunglasses. It's not dark though, but I could quite happily just keep going, pop the targets off, go for a nice little drive along a nice twisty coast road, stop somewhere for a spot of lunch, nice hamburger. Camera went beep, looks like it switched off. It's alright, because we don't want to know any more other than this, because we're going towards the customer's house, so cut here.